In 2012, the Japanese government set a strategic plan for securing resources. This plan consists of determination of critical minerals and concentrate funding. Second one is a promotion for securing upstream interests. The third one is a promotion for material substitution, recycling, and stockpiling. So we achieve steady success in funding and securing upstream interests of mines in foreign countries. And so research and developing on substitution and recycling. These actions have been supported and so implemented by governmental organizations like NEDO, JST, JOGMEC, and ICE. Japan imports almost all mineral resources from foreign countries, excluding some exceptions like gold and so limestone. Stable securing critical minerals is very important to the Japanese economy. So improving the diversity of resource production is the biggest concern for us. Most critical minerals like rare earth, tungsten, antimony, magnesium, and platinum group metals are imported from one or two specific countries. Not only mining, but an intermediate process like separation, smelting, and alloy making. We need to improve the geographical diversity of these processes. Based on the result of the criticality assessment for the Japanese economy, most critical minerals have been imported from China and Russia. Considering the cost competitiveness and the concentration of the midstream players of the supply chain, China will have a better position than Europe and Japan. So, however, we need to improve the competitiveness from cost and value aspects, like sustainability, carbon neutrality, circular economy, human rights, and so on. In addition to this aspect, we can collaborate with each other to grow midstream industry like separation, smelting, recycling process.